Discoloration is chalkiness or a patchy appearance of grout and is often caused by a few things, but generally incorrect mixing.
Because grout is sold as a powder and mixed with water before it's applied, it relies on the person mixing the product to get the ratio right and to mix thoroughly. It can also happen if too much water is used during cleanup, so it's important to go with an experienced tiler who knows the right method. In my opinion, nothing looks worse than cracked grout. This is where you'll really notice the difference between a regular grout and a high quality grout. Grout is cementitious, but high quality grouts have less fillers and more polymer to strengthen and fortify, significantly reducing the likelihood of cracking. If your grout cracks, eventually you'll need to remove the grout and reapply it, costing you time and money, so it's best to get it right first time. To prevent cracking, it's also important to make sure you're tiling onto the right type of surface, as movement underneath the tiles will almost always result in cracking, even if a high quality grout is used, and even with an additive to further improve the grout. If in doubt, ARDEX has an excellent technical support team that can help.